there are several components in the current affairs magazine that comes, and they have been designed to cover various aspects of the exam, and the aspirant, based on which stage they are at, they can use it. For example, everybody knows the first stage of the exam is prelims. So there are not only objective questions in that compilation, but there are also news in terms of current affairs that have been happening and what is relevant for the prelims. So the backgrounder news of that is also there, as well as the recent updates are also there in the compilation. Then there are factual points for prelims, like I used to make one-liner notes. So these kind of notes have also been incorporated, which will help you recollect as well as learn several important facts regarding prelims, which can appear as an objective question at any time. Then there is a keynote article by a topper in which one aspect of the exam is focused upon, one topic of the exam is focused upon, and the distribution of questions as well as important news from that topic is covered. Then there are summaries from important magazines like Yojana and Kurukshetra in the form of a few articles. They may carry 10-15 articles each, but they are made into a concise and summarized form in the form of 4-5 articles, which will enable you to cover the issue thoroughly. Then there are compilations of important articles that have come in the editorials. Important issues that have come in the editorials, they have been summarized. The way they have developed over the month, they have been summarized and developed into concise form. So that will enable you to prepare better for the mains, and that will help the advanced candidate. Furthermore, like I mentioned, now is the time of writing objective answers, quantitative answers. For that, a creative corner has been incorporated where you can find relevant data in terms of infographics as well as maps that will enable you to not only develop diagrams but also incorporate value addition, objective content in your answers. So overall, the current affairs monthly compilations incorporate summaries from salient magazines like Yojana and Kurukshetra, as well as newspaper editorials relevant for mains, factoids relevant for prelims, news relevant for prelims, and a message to you from the topper that helps you analyze and understand various facets of the exam every month.